Hello everyone. So today we will talk about dental cleaning and dental teeth whitening. Most of the people think these both are the same procedure, but no, it is not that way. Dental cleaning is a different procedure and dental teeth whitening is again a different procedure. When a patient is going for a dental cleaning procedure, so that is called as scaling and prophylaxis. So it is a regular maintenance for your gums and teeth. It doesn't guarantee to whiten your teeth or enhance the shade of the teeth. But when patient goes for a dental teeth whitening, so dental teeth whitening is kind of a cosmetic procedure. You must remember it's a temporary procedure. Dental whitening lasts for 6 to 8 months or 9 months as per the beverage consumption of the patient. If you are a heavy smoker or a very much coffee lover, so yes, it will last for hardly 2 to 3 months. So choose your treatment wisely. Thank you.